Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg spoke after the arraignment, saying Trump continuously lied to cover up previous crimes. Scott MacFarlane was at the courthouse yesterday. He has the details of this historic indictment.
It's not just about one payment. It is 34 false statements in business records that were concealing criminal conduct.
Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg alleged former President Trump falsified business records after planning a catch-and-kill scheme to suppress negative information about him throughout his 2016 presidential campaign. According to Bragg's statement of facts released with the indictment, Trump orchestrated hush money payments beginning in 2015 to three individuals. Those payments included $130,000 to former adult film star Stormy Daniels by former Trump lawyer Michael Cohen, $150,000 to former Playboy playmate Karen McDougal, and another $30,000 to a Trump Tower doorman.
The defendant claimed that he was paying Michael Cohen for legal services performed in 2017. This simply was not true.
The indictment lays out nearly 36 different business records that were allegedly falsified.
The scheme violated New York election law, which makes it a crime to conspire to promote a candidacy by unlawful means. The $130,000 wire payment exceeded the federal campaign contribution cap, and the false statements in AMI's books violated New York law.
AMI was the publishing company of the National Enquirer. Bragg alleges the head of the tabloid, David Pecker, was a Trump ally who prevented negative stories about the then candidate from getting out.
It's alleged that by trying to hide that campaign violation, that becomes a felony.
Scott Frederickson is a former federal prosecutor in Washington.
If he were convicted, a low-level felony, he certainly would not, in all likelihood, ever go to jail over this. It wouldn't prevent him from running for president or being president, but it is certainly consequential.
Keep in mind, this is just part of Trump's legal troubles. He's facing Department of Justice probes into his connection to the January 6th attack and efforts to overturn the 2020 election, and also an investigation into possible obstruction regarding his handling of sensitive material at Mar-a-Lago. And in Georgia, we're waiting for the district attorney's next move after a special grand jury there looked into whether Trump and his allies tried to overturn that state's election results. John?
Scott, thank you.